A somber mood engulfed Luanda sub-county in Vihiga County during the burial of two sisters who were struck by lightning. The two had taken shelter in a kiosk when lightning struck, killing 3 people on the spot. Trevor Ngendo reports.
Primary school. The two sisters were part of 3 victims struck down by lightning as they took shelter under a makeshift kiosk on their way home from school.
Jesus is the author and the finisher of our faith.
In an emotional send-off in Luanda sub-county, their father Philip Mundia showered praises to his daughters, recounting the pain of the loss of his daughters, terming it a big blow to the family.
Rose na Dina walikuwa watoto wa heshima na furaha. Nikiomba kitu walikuwa wanatumia lugha ya baba nisaidie, kunionyesha kwamba kweli wananipenda.
With a heavy heart, their mother Esther Winner reminiscence the fond memories shared together.
Kusikia kifo watoto wangu nilihuzunika sana. Nilipenda watoto wangu, niliteseka, nilishinda watoto wangu, nikitaka nikae kwa watoto wangu lakini ilishindikana. Ndetu Mungu kwa watoto wangu malipema.
The family is now calling for prayers to help them withstand the grief. Trevor Ngendo for Lunchtime News.